As the heat of the day fades, the Pride converges on the watering hole, drawn by the promise of cool water and the safety of numbers.
Almost there, steady now. Let's keep them moving.
They're cooperating well today. Good job, team.
Keep the pace even, don't rush them. Roger that. Everyone stay alert. Looks like they're enjoying their meal.
Yeah.
Yes, their appetites are good. Health check for this one is positive.
They love fresh running water.
Yeah, it's essential for their hydration, especially on hot days like this.
All right, clear view of the molar. No major issues there.
Excellent. Let's just check the gums one last time.
Easy does it. Back to your Pride. Slowly, slowly. Watch your clearances. All the permits are there, officer. Clean bill of health for the cargo.
Just double checking everything. Standard procedure for high value transport. Any issues during the journey?
This batch is ready for the first rinse. Keep an eye on the water temperature.
Need to ensure every part is soaked. Consistency is key.
This one's heavy. Almost ready for the racks. Line 3, status check. We need to maintain throughput on these hides.
Got to get every bit of this off. Quality depends on it.
Checking for any imperfections before the next stage. Every detail counts.
Hot, but it's ready. Get it to the next station.
Make sure this one is perfectly flat. No creases before it sets.
Good color, good texture. This batch looks excellent.
Another batch ready for the final treatment.
Perfect. The contrast on this pattern is excellent.
The temper is just right on this one. It's soft, luxurious.
This final pass ensures a smooth finish.
Transporting the finished stock to cutting. Ready for the next stage. Laying out the full piece now. Ready for measurement.
The system scan looks perfect. No flaws detected on the hide.
Affirmative. Ready for the automated cutting sequence.
Precision is everything for these complex patterns.
Aligning the fur just right for the machine. Smooth and strong, that's the goal.
Reinforcing the edges for durability and finish.
Just a final check on the seam work here. Looks solid.
Making sure every piece hangs perfectly for presentation. Finding the best part of the hide for the heel.
Starting the trim on these fur pieces. Keep the next batch ready.
Getting this curve just right is crucial for the fit. Steady hands, creating a strong seam. This takes patience, shaping the fur perfectly around the form.
This sealant will protect the fur and give it a lasting shine.
Another one ready for the collection. Attaching the strap securely, it needs to hold.
The final touch. This clasp will make the bag truly stand out.
Holding it gently, showcasing the texture.
Just a little more polish to bring out the natural sheen.
They fit perfectly. So incredibly warm.
This piece defines elegance and warmth.
The zipper is smooth, beautiful hardware.
Effortless luxury.
The softness is incredible.